I'm gonna show you fast food heaven or junk food, whatever you want to call it, and it's just next to this building, the Sagrada Familia. And first one coming up, see McDonald's. It's pretty good. I've eaten there since I was a kid, so I'm very familiar with that. And here comes a new one, the one that I tried out for the first time yesterday. Five Guys. Really delicious. I like their fries. Coming up, we have a new restaurant. I haven't tried it yet. Maybe I will. I don't know. I've heard a lot about it. And between these restaurants you have more restaurants. Here comes the next one. I haven't tried this one. Bling bling. We have some more. Yeah, just around the corner. Another one that I'm really familiar with. Burger King. Still have one more to show you. This one I have tried about 5 or 6 times maybe, and it's not my favorite. I have only been satisfied like maybe once, maximum twice when I've eaten at this place, and that is boom boom boom. KFC. Yeah, that was it. I would definitely be a lot heavier if I lived here, because I love fast food and junk food, the fatty ones, you know. That was it for this video. Bye.